Good afternoon, Lancers, on this chilly, cold Friday. I wanted to share with you some updates from the outside and what we got going on with our project. Yesterday, hopefully you noticed the steel crane truck was here, and we have all of our steel that was finally delivered. And so we've started to erect the skeleton of our structure that is going to create the covered walkway and canopy that we'll have here for drop-off. There will also be a nice archway right above where I'm standing that will have a display of our sign and our school signage. But again, it'll be a nice architectural feature to tie into the lines we have over on the church side. So next we're going to go inside and I'll show you all the great updates going on in there. All right, welcome back, Lancers. Inside here we have some exciting things happening. We have our steel structure and door frames that have been delivered. We have our doors. There's a couple more back here. A few modifications that are needing to be made to make these very safe and secure, but they are on site and should be fully installed here in the next couple weeks. There's a channel in here that you can see, and this is the thickness of the glass that we'll be using. So again, that bullet resistant glass is about 2 inches thick, and it's going to make this really safe and secure. As we venture on in here, one of our doors here going into the actual office, again, these doors are about 600 pounds a piece, so they are quite heavy and have to be reinforced. But again, you can see what it's going to look like here as you enter our school and come on into the main office. Once inside here, like we've shared, our desk units are in, and we're waiting for the countertops to be delivered and installed. Over the weekend, we had quite a bit of work done above us, so the ceiling grid has been laid out. The sprinklers have all been capped. These are state-of-the-art. They're flush mounted, and so as they sense the heat, then the sprinkler heads will drop down and do their function as needed. Next step in here is a little bit of electrical work to drop the lights into place and then connect all of our HVAC units into where they are. As you can see, our tilers are back on site, so as we come back here into the bathroom, we've got our finished work of tiling going on here, so that'll be complete here in the next day or so. In our nurse's office, again, all of our cabinetry has been installed. I'm very excited about that. Next step, again, will be the fixtures and putting the countertop in. We'll have a nice fridge down here for the nurse to keep medications and ice packs, very handy. And I want to take you to one more place. As we come in here into one of our offices, you can see these panes of glass that I mentioned. So this is one pane of glass. It looks like 3 separate pieces, but it's actually one unit, and that'll go into our front atrium, into that channel I showed you between the doors, to really make sure that bullet-resistant space is safe for everybody as they enter. So next things we have coming is some roof work on the new addition to get those pieces in place, connected with our existing structure. They will finish the electrical and HVAC like I mentioned, drop all the ceiling panels in, and then as soon as we have those countertops, this main office structure will be pretty close to done. Final thing I forgot to mention, our interior door units are all set to be delivered this weekend, and so hopefully by next week those will also be installed. So more to come here in the next couple weeks, and we will do another video here pretty soon. Again, thank you for all your contributions. Thank you for everything to get us to this point, and make it a great day, Lancers.